So time for another tutorial today. We're gonna do kind of like a vampy, very dark look today. So I went ahead and already put the No Problem Prime Essence primer on my face, Touch and Soul primers right here. I went ahead and put it on my face because I thought I was going to do my foundation first, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and do it on camera with you guys. So I'm going to be taking the Revolution Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F1 right here. Alright, so I'm putting it on my face and I'm blending it out with my Essence Beauty sponge right here. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-Hour Camo Concealer right here and just put it under my eyes, chin area, kind of right here on the nose, and forehead. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics translucent powder right here. We're going to take it, and I'm going to be taking it on this brush right here. This is the Morphe M438 brush right here. This powder is really, really good. So we're just going to start very heavily packing it under the eyes, and I'm going to brush it over the eyelids as well. And I don't know what the fuck that is on my neck, but I'm assuming it's like a burn or something. I know I had burnt part of my, well, it's gone now. I burnt my arm earlier because I was cooking and it like grease had like popped up on me. So that might be what that is, but I don't know. So now time for eyeshadow. We're gonna go in with this Morphe 25A palette right here. A lot of browns, a lot of fall colors, but we're gonna kind of use them for a different, not fall vibe. So, alright, so I just did my brows off camera. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Long Wear Brow Kit right here. I use the color Taupe, and this brow kit thing is like a long wear. It's supposed to be like a 2-day brow wear. It works really good on the brows. I really like how it is. It's like a pure liquid kind of thing. Here's the brush on it. Of course, I use my own brush. But this is my second time using it. I'm telling you, the first time I used it is not a 2-day brow. I literally took one makeup wipe, just a wipe, went like this, wiped it, and it was completely gone. I was like, no. So I really want to find like a long wearing brow that at least lasts for like a couple days because I hate doing my brows. So anyways, now we're going to go into the Morphe 25A palette right here. This is what it looks like, super beautiful. It looks like a lot of fall colors, but we're going to be doing a little something different. I'm going to be taking the Morphe E17 brush, and we're going to go into this color right here. So it's kind of like a brown gray toned color. We're just going to take that on this brush, the E17 brush, and we're going to start just putting it into the crease, blending it, and after with a bigger brush I'm going to go in and kind of just blow it out, kind of, if that makes any sense. So just taking this, packing on there.
I can feel it somewhere inside.
Alright, so I'm just taking this brush with nothing on it. This is an Almar Cosmetics brush. It doesn't have a name on it, but it might have been wiped off. It's just a clean blending brush. And what I'm just doing is I'm now just taking this and that color very clean. I might add color on it, but probably not. And just really heavily like smoking it out. Yeah, I might need a little more color. So I'm actually going to go into this brush right here. I'm going to switch it out. Morphe M506 brush. It's a very tiny blending brush. And I'm going to go into, I'm going to take this color right here, this lighter, kind of like a green color. I'm going to go ahead and start blending very closely the top of the eye. And then we're going to kind of use it to blow, not blow it out, but like smoke it out on the outer corner area. Take a little bit more of that color we were using first, and we're going to start kind of deepening up the outer V part a little bit. Not making it like a super sharp triangle, but I do want it to be a little bit more smokier. So now I'm going to take this beautiful pigment right here. It's a eyeshadow, and this is called the Glam Rock eyeshadow, I believe in the color Rocket right here. This is from Medusa Makeup. Super pretty, and I'll show you guys close up. This is such a beautiful shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just take my finger. We're going to go into that, and we're just going to start laying it on the lid.
Patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon, but I'm running.
Okay, so that actually doesn't work good at all. I'm really not liking that. I just went and took this brush right here to kind of add it into the crease, and it like, that shit just wipes off. Look at that shit. It's like wiping off my eyes. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep using it. So I'm picking it up, and I'm actually gonna spray my brush to see if maybe it gives me like a different effect, and maybe it like goes on better. I don't know. So we're just trying that, kind of sharpening up the crease area a little bit. Now it's like turning different colors. Oh my god, I'm so sad. I thought this was gonna be like really good. I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm not giving up on it yet, okay? Okay, so it is starting to show more shimmers more. So that's good, I guess. Starting to show like the shimmers on it a little bit more. It's starting to go a little better, so. I'm getting so much fallout on my face, and I'm glad I have this under my eyes, but it's starting to fall like on my lip and stuff. And your girl gonna get mad. What the fuck is this shit? This is not good. I didn't know an eyeshadow could be this bad, honestly. Alright, so I'm taking that first color we were using in that little tiny fluffy brush, and I'm using it to like blend it out into the crease because that was looking so bad. I'm actually going to switch into this darker shade right here next to the black because I need like a darker shade in there to kind of help blend that out. So hopefully we can make this look good. I'm also going to lay that dark shade like on the lid as well because I'm just not liking that. That's like turning, it's like dusting away any of the shimmers, and it's like creasing up. Oh my god, that looks so bad. So I'm just trying to take that away. We're gonna do something else because I'm really annoyed with that color. It like won't even blend into my crease. Yeah, so if you're trying to recreate this look, just use a dark shade because now it's looking a lot better. Don't use that pigment I did because now that I'm working on it, it's gonna look really, really good without that little pigment thing because that was really, really bad. Alright, so I'm taking that brush, I'm trying to wipe this away, and hopefully it doesn't stick to my face anywhere, because if it does, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh yeah, it's like all across my nose. That like separated my nose when I tried to put more product on it. There's like spots, just kind of messed up, but just ignore that because I'm not giving up. Hopefully it'll start looking good. I'm gonna go into that first color we were using and tap off that brush, and I'm just gonna start smoking it under the eyes a little bit. Okay, so I don't know if this is too dark for me or not, but this is the Buxom Wonderlust Primer Infused Blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I never know if it's too dark for me or not, but I'm gonna take the e.l.f. 103 brush, and I'm gonna pick that up. Hopefully it's not too dark, and we're just gonna pop that on the cheeks. Ooh, she is dark, okay. Okay, so it's like separating right here where I had powder at and where I didn't have powder at. That's so weird. Sometimes that happens though, I don't know why. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Doll 10 by Makeup Molly Prepping Perfector brush right here for highlight, and I'm going to go in with the Profusion Sculpt and Glow palette right here. I've been really loving this, and I'm going to go into the shade right here. This is a golden highlighter shade, and it is in the color Glaze, I'm going to start putting it on the cheeks. And now I'm going to go into this brush right here. This is the Morphe N527 brush. And I'm going to go into this shade right here. This is light contour. I'm going to start bronzing up the face, putting it on the cheeks, pretty much a lot of places.
I can feel it somewhere in.
I'm going to take this pencil brush and this Makeup Revolution highlighter right here, the top broke off of it. It is a Vivid Baked Highlighter in Golden Lights. And I'm going to start popping this on the inner corner and brow bone to brighten up everything.
My heart stops beating and the air gets tough just.
I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with the Morphe by Jeffree Star Setting Mist. Okay, so off camera I just went ahead and put on the Tarte Big Ego mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I was going to put some lashes on off camera, but it just didn't go well. So now we're just at the mascara. Okay, so I'm now going to take this flat brush right here and I'm going to use this. This is Pixie, what does it have a name on it? This is Pixie plus Mary Immaculage. This is in the color Starlight Night. This is like a liquid eyeshadow kind of thing, like a liquid eyeshadow. So it's black and sparkly. Hopefully it looks good. I'm just going to pick it up on the brush and I'm going to start putting it like right under my lower lash line area. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this lipstick I've never used before. This is Medusa Makeup lipstick and this is in the color Chica, right here. It's a very dark vampy color. So I'm just going to put this on my lips. Okay, so this lipstick is horrible. Okay, so I'm going to be honest, not my favorite lipstick. It's pretty, like it feels really nice on the lips. Very pretty color, but it doesn't apply very well. And I feel like it just kind of slips around, not really vibing for it. Anyways, this is the end of the tutorial. I actually really like how the eyes turned out. I think that looks really, really beautiful. The eyeshadow that we're using originally on the lid looked terrible, but once I blended that out with that darker shade, it looks really, really good. I love how it's like smoked out, blended, and it just looks really, really good to me. So I'm not hating this look, and I'm actually really, really liking it. I thought it was going pretty bad, so I wasn't really liking it, but I do like it now. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I know you're out there.